Namaste, Jai Hind. Welcome to your YouTube channel Moto Guru. My name is Amit, and in this video we are going to test our Fat Boy with these wide Burley Beach handlebars. Many people have suggested, and I don't know it's a myth or it's a reality, that people say that when there is a wide beach bar on your Fat Boy or any of your motorbike, then there is a difficulty in maneuvering your motorbike. So let's have a test. In this test we will see how difficult it is it comfortable, or what are the reviews of this wide beach bar in our Fat Boy. And this route on which we will be testing is very special route in the world. This route will be the highest mountain range of the world, that is Himalayas. So into the Himalayas I will take you with me. You will enjoy the beauty of the Himalayas, and then we will check how successful these Burley Beach brand bars are there in the sharp turns, sharp curves, sudden highs, sudden lows, sudden narrow roads. So we will have a complete testing of this beach bar. Stay tuned. तो भाई सुबह के 4:30 बज गए हैं। ये अपना बैग, हेलमेट, जैकेट, ये अपने राइडिंग बूट्स, और ये अपनी सुबह की चाय, और ये रहा मैं। So before I bought this Burley brand beach bars, I saw the reviews, and in those reviews people was complaining that when you have such a long beach bars, then there is always a problem while maneuvering your bike, especially on the sharp turns. But I would like to say that I'm right now in Himalayas, you can see behind, and it's one of the highest mountain ranges of the world. And I must say that when I traveled so far, like 500 600 kilometers, the whole way was having sharp turns, and really there was no trouble at all. And in fact, I feel it far better and far comfortable than the stock ones. Last 6 months before, I traveled here in Himalayas with the stock handlebar motorbike, and now I replaced it with this one, and I can say that truly there is a far better difference I felt, and they are very comfortable. So I would like to bust this myth that the beach bars always have a problem while maneuvering your bike on sharp turns. So I didn't feel anything like that, and I'm a 6 feet tall man, and it was really comfortable, really very comfortable. But I would also say that on very fast speeds, of course it is very difficult even with the stock bars. So it also depends on the width of the road. It also depends on the tires, the condition of the tire, and it also depends on the way you drive, how much you lean the motorbike towards taking the turn. I lean motorbike a little bit extra than my fellow riders, so I didn't feel any problem at all. So if you want to buy the Burley brand beach bars, go with it without any hesitation if you are concerned about this maneuvering of the bike. No problem at all.